Today on Muscles and Veggies Fitness, this is my super nutrient dense smoothie. I'm going to give you guys my recipe on this. So this is all about nutrient density. We got a lot of stuff going on here, a little bit of beets, kale, carrot, broccoli sprouts, and avocado. My perfect keto collagen, the perfect keto greens, the microgreens, and then also the perfect keto MCT powder. I'm going to sweeten it with some stevia. So let's jump right in here. I'll show you guys the recipe. Basically what you want to do is add in about a cup and a half of coconut milk as your base to about 5 or 6 ice cubes is what I use. Then I just simply start throwing these ingredients in here. So you don't have to follow exactly the ingredients I'm using. I'm actually going a little bit starchier by using the beets and the beet juice. That's because I just finished a workout. So you can mix and match and use different ingredients. I also make a vanilla one. This is a chocolate one, but I make a vanilla one that uses vanilla collagen and berries, and that's a really good lineup. So this one's chocolate. I'm using the Perfect Keto MCT chocolate powder. There's the keto microgreens, and this is the keto collagen chocolate. So then I add in some more cacao powder. That's also got cacao flaxseed, spirulina right here. Ooh yeah, lots of energy from that, omega-3s. So then I'm going to add in my beets. These are roasted beets that I did in the Instapot, and then I pour that juice in there. Man, a little bit of cinnamon. Those things are amazing. Really good carb source for post-workout when you want a good, healthy, nutrient-dense carb. Then we sweeten this with stevia. You can also use monk fruit as well. And then we're going to blend this thing. So the name of the game is nutrient density. We're trying to create an environment for healing in the body. So we want to give the body tons of micronutrients, minerals, vitamins, and macronutrients. So that's what this shake is all about. Plus it tastes like a milkshake if you do it right. This is a great solution for when you're short on time and you want to take a lunch with you to work and getting ready to head out the door. Throw this together. It takes 3 to 5 minutes and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Tell me the ways that you make yours and leave your comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already been keeping up with musclesandveggies.com. Thanks for watching.